At some point you will need to open a filament hub for Anycubic 3D printer. This works for 4-port and 8-port version. I recommend you to use a flat screwdriver, a wider. You want to put a flat screwdriver like this from the bottom side of the clip. Put it inside like this, twist it on top. At this point you want to hold with your finger and pull to the top side, because if you let it down it will just go back at the original position, especially if you didn't open it before. So pull it up, hold it. Now on the other side, repeat the process. Now you don't need to hold it anymore because you're halfway done. And you don't want this to happen because I just lost all the clips. Luckily, I managed to find all the parts. Remember, it is super important when you unlock 2 of these clips to hold a top cover. When you unclip the third one, it will probably jump out because there are 4 springs which are forcing this top cover to go out. You will find a lot of filament debris inside. Clean it. It can cause the clogs. Let's reassemble everything. First, you need to insert this 4-way bracket inside. Take 4 springs and place them like this. At this point, take these caps and just place them neatly inside the springs. In the end, take the cover, align it for the first clip to go neatly inside, and force push it inside from all sides. A pro tip: always ensure that pathways for the filament are optically clear and passable by filament.